These are people who I'll never meet and I've never met, but I feel like I've always known them.
Oh, that's beautiful.
I feel like they've always been in my life and they've guided me.
Comedian Tracy Morgan came to me expecting to learn about his enslaved ancestors. But Tracy was in for a surprise. Moving back on his mother's family tree, we came to his third great-grandfather, a man named Wiley Wharton. Wiley was an African-American born around 1817. But unlike most African-Americans of his day, we found Wiley listed by name in the 1860 census, which can only mean one thing: Wiley was free. Your ancestor was in the tiny percentage of black people who got their freedom before the Civil War.
Wow. My great-great-great-grandfather was free.
He was free. Did you ever imagine that somebody in your family line was free before the Civil War, before the Emancipation Proclamation?
Good for you, Grandpa. You know, I could say that I'm so happy for my grandfather. I'm so happy that he didn't have to do all that suffering. I hope not. I'm glad he was free. Because that's how I feel.
Yeah.
I know where it come from. I'm free when I'm on stage. I feel free. When I'm on stage doing my comedy, I feel free. I know it came from you.
Though Wiley was free, his family was not. We believe that his wife, Judy, Tracy's third great-grandmother, was enslaved by a white man named James Medley. And as we scoured through the records that Medley left behind, we uncovered the birth record for Judy and Wiley's son, John, a baby born into slavery on Medley's tobacco plantation. What's it like to learn that?
Wow. It's surreal.
It is.
You watch all these movies on TV and you grow up watching Alex Haley, Roots and all that, and now you're face to face with your roots.
Yep.
And it's bittersweet. It's sweet to know where I come from and know who I am, but it's bitter to know that you had a master, there was a master.
Oh, yeah. Can you imagine owning another human being and
No.
thinking that's right?
No.
There is a grace note to this story. Tracy wondered what happened to Wiley and Judy when freedom came, bringing with it a host of new challenges. In the 1870 census, we found our answer.
Wharton Wiley, age 60, mulatto, occupation farmer, can read, can write. Judy, age 50, mulatto, can read, can write.
They stayed together and they learned to read and write. Those are your third great-grandparents. Isn't that cool?
Thank the Lord.
And all that listed with all their children, man.
All the children stayed with them?
They all stayed with them. The Wharton family stayed together through slavery and freedom and Reconstruction.
You know, I think about my life. I think about not the bad things, but all the great things that have come to me. I feel fortunate. I feel found. This book right here has changed my life.
Discovering our ancestors can change our lives, helping us to understand more fully who we are, where we came from, and how we're all connected to a much larger world. To see more incredible family history stories, click here. And thank you for watching.